Is it starting?
Yeah. So, welcome. I haven't done the intro in front of anybody.
We're making a video here. We just finished recording it, but we're gonna try every. Not every. We're
going to 4 different places, fast food places,
for chicken sandwiches.
Yeah, to see who has a better fried chicken sandwich, and we already know our winner. We're actually standing in front of it.
Yeah. Don't say that. This is spoilers.
Yeah, it's not spoilers.
Yeah, we're gonna go to McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, Burger King, and what was it? Popeyes.
Yeah, let's see which one has the best one. Also, check out Zesty's channel.
Yes, my channel. Plug. Shameless plug.
And check out my website. I'll put it in the description. Alright, let's get into the video.
How are you? It's 4:23. You got a classic?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
For them. Here you go.
I'll hold on to the card because we're going to need it later. Thank you.
Alright, have a good night.
You too.
You have it?
Yeah. Alright. So, first stop.
Can I put this on here?
That's going to fall, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, no.
Alright, so, for the first one, I'll do what they put in here. My hands are clean, don't worry.
Don't worry. We're going to split it in half.
We don't have a knife.
Exactly by the measurement. Here.
Just rip it in half.
You fine? Yeah. You can have the bigger piece.
Okay. Perfect.
Take a piece.
That's
I
fine.
can't believe I did that.
Perfect cut. Alright. Get in the camera frame.
Hey, hold on.
So, let's see. Hit on it.
Crunchy and greasy.
Yeah. A lot of grease. Alright.
I don't like pickles. Taking that out. You want
I
it?
do. No. Not bad, but it's not bad. But it tastes like eating the fried chicken. Like on its own, just the bun and mayo.
That's what it is, in case you didn't.
Yeah, I know, but like I expected it to taste a little different. It tastes like exactly the same, and it's very there's a lot of grease. Honestly, not bad. But
Pretty
had
good.
better.
Yeah.
Very greasy though.
Yes. Not like unbearably greasy, but it's just, that's what you think comes to mind when you eat it. All right.
That's better.
Does it sound like we used to taste?
It tastes like eating the fried chicken. Tastes like eating the fried chicken, but with a bun.
It's very greasy. It's not. That's the first thing comes to mind when you eat it, but it's not unbearably greasy. You want me to click stop? We'll click stop right here.
Oh, and then now we're gonna go. Where we're going next?
So now where are you gonna go?
Let's go to Wawa and grab a drink.
Hey, we're gonna get something to drink. So we'll see you when we get there. Is this press? No, it is. And so it's Chick-fil-A, right?
Yes, Chick-fil-A.
So we're trying the best chicken sandwich. It's a little biased.
Chicken's coming out of it.
We're a little biased.
Yeah.
So,
A little biased. Trying the best one. A little biased.
Yeah.
Chicken. How?
But did they get the right one for the Burger King?
Yeah. That's how the chicken sandwich comes.
Well, every time I get it, it's round. So I guess
No.
Unless it's a different type.
Come on. Here, I'll take the small.
Right.
I don't like the pickles either.
No, I do. Alright. This one I'm pretty sure is the best. Because it's Chick-fil-A. Yeah.
I mean, it's Chick-fil-A. What'd you expect? You're the best of the best.
Chick-fil-A is the best. Chick-fil-A.
Alright, which one do you want to try next? We got the McChicken and the Burger King chicken sandwich.
Just the Burger King next. Show that.
Pick one. Alright, try this one. Burger King.
I had Burger King before, but it was never like this.
It tastes more fried.
Supposed to be fried.
It tastes more fried.
Oh,
More plain.
this is not how I remember it. I had a fried chicken sandwich from Burger King back in January. It's not like this. So maybe it's different here, I guess? I have like 3 channels.
It's not popular. We're just doing this for fun. Oh.
What's her? Hey fans, hold this.
I feel bad for you if you haven't had a Chick-fil-A sandwich before. But you know, the Popeye.
Watch the video.
Alright, but yeah.
This is not how it tastes.
Yeah,
Usually. Not how it tastes.
you think, well, I mean, but this is the example. This is supposed to be the prime example here. We're gonna take this one and take it as it is.
No, I've had Burger King's fried chicken sandwich before. It's not like this. Because this is like, one, it was never this shape. And 2, it's
I've had it like a year ago and it was that shape.
I had it back in January. It was around like normal.
Maybe there's 2 different sandwiches, I don't know. But chicken, that's
Chicken
the chicken.
itself
When we
isn't
asked
that
for a
good.
chicken sandwich, this is what they gave us. So so far the Chick-fil-A one is definitely the best one. But I actually think the Popeyes one is so.
We can't do Chick-fil-A.
Let's do.
So far.
Chick-fil-A is 9 out of 10. Like,
9 out of 10.
If you can find something, because there's always probably going to be something better.
No.
You know, if you go somewhere, somebody calling me. Oh no! Don't drop that.
$1,800 destroyed at a Chick-fil-A parking lot.
Alright, so what do you think? I think this one, what do you say?
Chick-fil-A's the best.
Well, we haven't done the McDonald's one yet. I mean, but that,
And I don't think it's gonna be...
yeah.
Chick-fil-A's
Are you gonna eat it?
No, I'm good.
No.
It doesn't taste as good. Last time I had it, it was good.
Alright, if you won't eat it, I'll eat it.
Enjoy. Alright, and last but not least.
It tastes
Not
like.
that.
It tastes kind of. Here, can you give the camera? It tastes plain,
Yeah, it's
basic, but
But if you try the other one that I had, it's a lot better. This whole thing is fun. What is this? They just slapped it together. Wait.
that's McDonald's.
Alright, enjoy.
What about you?
I'll try it. Just break it in half when you're ready. Example, McDonald's. Like literally, if you look at it, they slapped it together.
I know, that's what they did. It was always like that.
And the amount of mayo they put on there.
Yeah. Can you imagine?
That's a small one. To be honest, I don't think this is gonna be as good.
Alright.
No. This is not as good. No.
No.
No. I don't want to finish it. No.
I want to finish it. I'll eat anything, but
Eat it. No.
this is even plainer.
Chick-fil-A is
than
the
Burger
best. Yeah, this is
King. This is even plainer.
this is the plainest I've ever had. Alright, so here's my vote. Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, Burger King on normal time or normal day, and then McDonald's. But Popeyes and Burger King might be tied. The one I had, not this one.
I actually think Popeyes was pretty good.
Better than
Yeah,
Chick-fil-A.
I give Chick-fil-A a 9 out of 10 because you know you're always gonna find something. There's probably something.
Chick-fil-A.
I know, but there's probably gonna be something better. But then I give a Popeyes an 8 out of 10 because I thought it was really good. But I think that one's really based on an opinion. The Burger King I'd give a 4.5 out of 10, and the McDonald's I give 3 out of 10. But only eat it when it's your only option.
I'm gonna vote my numbers on too. Chick-fil-A 10 out of 10 because you're not gonna find any better. Popeyes, 7 out of 10. Burger King today, 5 out of 10. On a normal day, 6 out of 10.
Or
McDonald's, 3 out of 10. McDonald's is, no.
You know, in my case, eat it when it's free.
Yeah, if it's free, I'll take it.
I'm taking it.
Now, if you want something good from McDonald's, get the, what's it, the sausage biscuit thing, do you know what it's called? I don't. The sausage biscuit, whatever it's called, get that. Don't get this. And get it, or get a burger, because this is not good. Burger King on a normal day. If you're getting the fried chicken sandwich from Burger King, get the round one.
Right here. Look.
Yeah, that was a disappointing ending, I must say.
Thought they might be a contender.
Yeah, I
We
know.
haven't tried Zaxby's yet.
Well, not tonight.
No, might do that another time.
We'll do a part 2. But we're gonna do burgers next. Cause
You know what y'all need to do? The other stuff.
best pizza place.
Huh?
Best pizza.
No.
Or what?
The one we said. Horrible, that's
Subway? Probably some place like that.
Yeah, so that's
Are we good?
what I'm saying.
We can do that.
We
We can do that. So here. I guess that's it.
Yeah.
Alright, so the winner, Chick-fil-A.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Is it
Yeah,
Chick-fil-A's
yeah,
winner?
but we haven't tried Zaxby's yet, and I think
Well, out of these 4, which the
out of
Chick-fil-A's
these
winner?
4, it's
Yeah, Chick-fil-A's clear winner.
But
Popeyes isn't bad.
you know, I haven't. We need to try Zaxby's head to head with Chick-fil-A because
Yeah.